Alright, so as you can see, I'm in a self-service gym here. I got two thermostats. I got one way back there for that rooftop back there, and I got one up here. And she says this one never gets the temperature, and it runs and it runs and it runs. We got a bad placement here. So that's block wall back there. That wall is 65 degrees. Well, here we are on the roof. We got an older carrier. Let's see. She is from probably 98. 03. Fans running. Inducer motor. Let's see. Because I kind of took the took that infrared thermometer, shot the registers. One of them back is heating. This one is not. She said we were out on this one. Fall. Filters are good. I got my other door, and let's get this door back on. Oh, that thing's a piece of junk. Whatever, you gotta screw it on. So I got my other door off. I'm blinking a code 7 up here. Code 7 is, I think that's rollout. Rollout switch fault. I wonder why that is. Wonder why that is. There's a rollout switch. Rollout switch. Let's see. Let's get a meter on it. Let's get a meter. But you know what that means. Let's see. Oh, she's open. She's open. I don't have one of those on the truck. Oh, that's bad. Burners are kind of toasty, rusted. Let's see what other presents we got behind door number 2. 2 and 3. Tension. Someone's been in here. Missing screws. So I got that faceplate that's kind of rusted through. Let's see. There, that's done. But backside looks good. Yeah, they're gonna need a heat exchanger by next year. Well, we'll jump this roll out and see what's up with it. Let me get this back on. I don't know when this heat exchanger was changed, but it's rusted through right there. So we need a heat exchanger. Burners are shot. We've had a lot of wind here lately too. So, and we're out in the fall on this one, so that probably just happened, and the other tech that was out here probably put this thing on backwards. And that probably wasn't there. He didn't look at it close enough. So let's jump her out and see if she fires. See if she fires. I should probably let me stick that door back on and then we'll start it up. Alright. See what happens. She did start up. Got it jumped out. There we go. Fan needs to move a little faster. That pulley's open. Whew. Wide. Wait, is it? Oh, it's running the right way. So that's what it is, rollout switch. It's not rolling out. Let me tighten that belt up a little. Alright, so what I did is I close this up a little. Set screw, and then you kind of screw it in. But also what that does is you need to adjust the motor this way, because then that tightens your belt up. So what I'm doing is I loosen those up right there and right at the bottom there, and we're going to find my wrench. We're gonna we're going to move this up. So let me stay right there. Oh, that's way too tight. Just got to make sure. Little by little. Hopefully I'm not bending stuff. There we go. We gotta check our amp draw after. Then if our amp draw is too high, then I open that up. Right there. Meter. 3-phase. 3-phase. Let's see, I gotta figure out what my amp draw should be. Oh, 6. Six three. You got to figure out what voltage it is. No. Okay, so it's a 460. It's 208, 230, 460. So it's going to be 6.3 on the amp draw. Let's see what happens. Good. So as that pulley tightens up, rides higher, changes the ratio, and so with it being wide and with that belt sinking low down in the pulley, it runs slower. As you get that belt higher in the pulley, it runs faster. So we We need a limit for this one. I do not have one on the truck. That one, they thought that the thermostat was in the wrong spot. Technically it is. It's on an outside wall next to a window. The wall is 65 degrees. They want to keep it 65 degrees in there anyways. There's drywall and there's cement wall behind it. So it's in a gym. They want to kind of keep it high out of the way so it doesn't get knocked off the wall. It's not the most optimal spot, but what are you gonna do? But they said the thermostat wasn't working and they wanted it moved. I go, wait a minute. I go, what's going on with it? Well, it just runs and runs and runs and never gets the temperature, and they thought it was because of the placement. I go, no. I go, I can feel it blowing cold air. So I got up on the roof and that's what I found. Rollout switch. So come to find out, in our history, we had another service tech out in September. Had a rollout switch in there. He found the old rollout switch at the bottom of the unit. So he's like, oh, there's the old rollout switch, and it was, he probably tested it at the time and it was good. Well, it probably was bad. That's why they took it out and put another rollout switch in. I don't know why he did that. So that's what I found, and I told the customer, I go, listen, I'll just take care of you on it. Don't worry about it. But that's all it was. Got a little more airflow going on that thing. I showed you how to do that, because if you tighten that, if you move that pulley in, makes it right higher, changes your ratio, and it moves a little faster. So you push a little more air. And seemed to be, once I jumped everything out, got it up and running, it seemed to run really good. Other than that little pinhole on the heat exchanger, which they're going to have to address that by next season. We're kind of at the end of the season now. We're in March. There's 2 rooftops up there. How much is it really going to run? Not much. So that's it for this one. We'll do a follow-up video. Basically, it's just going to be replacing the limit. Maybe I won't even do a follow-up video. I don't know. And then you guys know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, hit up the GoFundMe for my son, help him in his fight for cancer, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.